Hello friends and welcome. I'm Sarah Liz and I'm really excited to share the contents of this emergency card kit with you. It is an exclusive kit for the Scrapbooking Fun Summit, which is a free event starting in just a couple of days. And when I asked you guys in the last video if you wanted a full walkthrough of this kit, so many of you said yes. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at everything that's in here. If you haven't heard of the Scrapbooking Fun Summit, it starts on Thursday, November 7th, and it runs through Sunday, the 10th. It is a 4-day event with over 30 amazing instructors. You guys, I am honestly floored that I was invited to teach in this summit. There are classes from all of us. Most of us have freebies. This is my freebie. Okay, so you guys are used to getting emergency card kits on my channel completely for free. Well, this one's free too, but you have to have a ticket to the event. So I will leave at the top of the description box below my link to the free ticket. It is an affiliate link. It tells them that I sent you. There are ways you can upgrade that ticket if you want. And if you get a paid ticket, I do make a small commission from that sale, but you can get this download with the free ticket. Okay, so on this first page, we have the sorts of sentiments you're used to seeing. They are our circle sentiments that are 1 3/4 of an inch. That circle is just a little bigger. And the theme is winter. I wanted to give you guys a kit. I mean, it's November, right? I wanted you to get a kit that would stretch beyond December. So this should take you where I live. Maybe all the way through April. There's some birthday. There's just some fun, like thinking of you. Warmest wishes on your birthday. Does shivering count as exercise? Let it snow. Somewhere else. Merry freezing birthday. You're the coolest. Hugging a bug. It's no secret you're seriously old. Love you snow much. Enjoy the beauty of winter. Happy birthday. The best things in life are frozen. Oh, what fun. Wake me up when winter's over. 'Tis the season to be freezin'. There's no place like home. On the second page, we have the same sentiments, but I've removed the circle in case you want to cut them out in a different size circle or a different shape altogether. Then we have our rectangle sentiments. Some of these I have switched up just a little bit so that we have more options in here. Then, because it's the Scrapbooking Fun Summit, I wanted to make sure I was including some of our large format sentiments. The summit instructors are about 50% card makers and 50% scrapbookers are people from scrapbooking channels, but there are tons of techniques being taught. Whimsy Stamps is going to be there, Ink on 3, Lisa Horton, Debbie J, LV Handcrafted, Kitten Clowder, tons of amazing, amazing instructors. So you can also use these on your cards. There will be a link on the front. I covered it up. You probably saw it. There will be a link to get these as resizable image files in case you want to make them smaller, but you do like this more organic style of sentiment. Then we have our strip sentiments, and there are 6 fonts this time. So we have our 2 more whimsical fonts that are normally in our kits. Then we have a scripty font and a classic serif font. Finally, we have 2 more festive fonts. There are some of these that you could use for the holidays if you wanted, but I just love both of these fonts so much, and they're a little bit bigger. These are about 3/8 of an inch. They work perfectly on a 1/2 inch mat, and so I know for some of us that works a little bit better. All 3 pages of strip sentiments are also available in white text on black. Then, my friends, we have digital paper. We've only done this in a couple of kits, and I have been loving playing with these images. And so you have a panel here that will give you a full A2 card in portrait. And then when you rotate, this one works better if you're going to do a landscape style card. So you'll get 2 sets of images on here. And then this one, it's like a very pale lavender in the background. And then we have this lovely watercolor wash. Again, you get both orientations here. Then I don't know what it is about this paper, but I love it so much, right? It's got that organic movement, but also some clean geometric lines, and the colors are my happy place. So you get 2 of these, one for portrait and one for landscape. Then on this page, we have 16 digital images. They're going to come in a PDF when the whole kit is together. But up here, there will be a link and a password so that you can download the resizable images as well. I just love these. They're really whimsical and fun, and we have a bunch of different styles. So hopefully there's something for everybody. I love these ornaments down at the bottom as well. They coordinate beautifully with the digital papers that are in this kit too. There are 3 more pages in this kit that I will save for the summit, and they are going to teach you 3 different cards. There are 2 fun folds and 1 pop-up. The pop-up will look very familiar to those of you who've been following along with my emergency card kit dies. But if you don't have the dies, there is a link to the original emergency card kit where I taught how to make that pop-up from scratch. So that's in here as well. I wanted to make sure that the cards I was making didn't require any specialty supplies. If you want to catch my class, it will go live on Sunday, November 10th at 10 a.m. Eastern, 9 Central, 8 Mountain, 7 Pacific, but you have to have a ticket. The free ticket will give you 24-hour access. So as soon as it goes live, you'll have 24 hours to watch it. If you get the paid ticket, you'll have access, I believe, starting on the evening of Wednesday the 6th. There's like a live kickoff event, and then they'll release all of the classes to paid ticket holders. You'll be able to access my freebie, the freebies from all of the instructors, all weekend long. So if you can't wait to get this, you can go ahead and log in starting on the 7th, 10 a.m. Eastern, same sort of schedule. And you'll be able to get to this kit. If you don't have your ticket yet, click on the link in the description box below the video and you can sign up for that ticket. And then when things start, they'll send you an email linking you to all the classes. I would love to see you all at my live Q&A as well. Hopefully I'll be able to link that in the description box below. That one is just on YouTube. The rest of it is through their website. So that is at 1 p.m. Eastern time, also on Sunday the 10th. So that's noon Central, 11 Mountain, 10 Pacific. Friends, I'm super excited about this summit. There are so many amazing instructors. I hope to see you there.